1, 2, 3. The bell has rung, the lesson has begun. Good morning, my dear guys. I am very glad to see you. Let us start our class. We shall start our class as usual with our language practice, and now my poem for you will be The roofs are shining from the rain, the sparrows twitter as they fly, and with a windy April grace, the little clouds go by. Yet the backyards are bare and brown, with only one unchanging tree. I could not be so sure of spring, save that it sings in me. Well, please read this poem by yourself, and then I will translate it. Крыши светятся от дождя, воробьи щебечут, когда они летают, и с ветреной апрельской грацией, можно так перевести, рядом пролетают облачка малюсенькие. Крыши коричневые, только неизменное дерево. Я не могу быть уверен в весне, что во мне что-то там внутри поет. Можно, в принципе, вот так перевести, это нетрудно. Well, I suppose each of you has already read this poem at home, and now I am going to ask you my weak question. Согласно легенде, однажды король Англии Кнут I, чтобы проверить свое могущество, вышел на берег и приказал ему остановиться. Наблюдение за ним позволило Ньютону сделать расчет массы. Вопрос: чего? В принципе, этот вопрос на стыке истории, физики, там, английского, может быть, языка. Главное, что это в Англии происходило. Значит, легенда. Король Англии Кнут I, пытался показать, что он такой могущественный, вышел на берег и приказал ему остановиться. Я думаю, что у каждого уже возникла какая-то мысль относительно того, о чем же идет речь. Так вот, речь идет о Луне. Значит, массу Луны смог рассчитать Ньютон. Из-за чего? Потому что король приказал остановиться приливу. Приливы и отливы – эти вещи, которые связаны как раз-таки с фазами Луны. Король думал, что он настолько могущественный, что он сможет это сделать, но, разумеется, прилив по приказу короля не ушел. Ньютон рассчитал массу Луны, но он немножко ошибся в 2 раза. Тем не менее, такой исторический факт действительно зафиксирован. Now, let us do one listening task. Listen to 5 people talking about environmental problems and match the speakers to the statements. There is one extra statement. Well, let us read all these statements. We can do something to save our planet for future generations. Plastic is difficult to destroy. Trees are essential for keeping our atmosphere clean and air fresh. We should use natural materials to save the earth. We should recycle and use renewable energy. A lot of things in our everyday life are harmful for the environment. I suppose everything is clear, and now I'm going to switch my recording on.
Аудиозапись номер 46. Progress check 3. Task 1. Listen to 5 people talking about environmental problems and match the speakers with the statements. There is one extra statement. Speaker A.
Do you remember what happened to the dinosaurs? You definitely saw their huge models in museums. Why? The changing environment didn't give them a chance to survive. The good news is that we humans have survived, but the bad news is the way we are going, it may not be long before we join those dinosaurs in the museum. And we have no one else but ourselves to blame. I am convinced we should do something in order to help the environment survive. For example, plant trees. Trees not only preserve the earth but also help depollute the air. We should stop deforestation and start planting at least 2 trees for each tree that we cut.
Speaker B.
Nowadays we use a lot of stuff that pollute the environment in some way. Just look around. Plastic bags, paper, aerosol cans. These everyday things contribute to the destruction of the environment. The result? We have floods in some parts of the world and famines in the others. We are slowly losing our beautiful Earth. But I know that we still can stop this destruction if we want.
Speaker C. Our life has become very comfortable. We travel by cars, use a lot of gadgets, and often don't switch off lamps at home. So we use a lot of energy. Resources like coal and oil are non-renewable, so the more we use them, the less we will have. We should use renewable energy as much as possible. It's better for our planet, in fact, to concentrate on other forms of energy like solar energy and natural gas. Another thing we can do is to recycle waste products. The more paper we use, the more we'll need, and so more trees will be cut. Try to avoid wasting paper and use recycled paper instead. Speaker D.
Imagine life 200 years ago. People used natural materials, there was no plastic. Now we can hardly imagine a day without it. Almost everything we use, from carry bags to containers, is made of plastic, and they make our life comfortable and convenient. But what we forget is that they are not so convenient to destroy, so they just end up clinging to the Earth's surface and suffocating it. Even if it's not possible to stop using plastic fully, we can start using less of it. Use less plastic.
Speaker E.
Act now. It is high time that we take this issue of environmental problems seriously, or it could have adverse effects on future generations. Look around and do what you can for your local environment. These simple steps may seem small, but remember, there are billions of people on this earth, and if we all do our bit, we'll be saving the planet for many more billions of years to come.
Аудиозапись номер 30.
That's all. This is the end of the task. Now let us check our guesses. Well, if we're talking about the first variant, it suits to speaker B. The second suits to A. The third suits to D, not F. What about the fourth variant? It is E, and the last is C. Speaker 6, we didn't have a speaker 6, so it is the extra one. Now let us do some exercise about our vocabulary. We have already learned different new words because it is the end of the unit. And please repeat after me. Accomplishment, alien, chat, cloning, cure, deforestation, device, engineering, fake, forgery, fraud, gadget, gene, genius, growth, hacker, nanotechnology, password, remedy, spam, treatment, virus, accept, browse, claim, clone, confess, declare, download, express oneself, get down to, log on, log off, plug in, release, reveal, search for, set up, speculate, store, serve, take out, alien related, amazing, creative, cutting edge, deliberately, digital, environmentally conscious, environmentally friendly, extraordinary, extremely, GM food, individual, innovative, logical, neutral, online, offline, particular, perpetual, sore throat, sustainable, unlikely, unlimited, be ahead of time, be behind schedule, be best known for, be crucial for, be dedicated to, be inspired by somebody, have an impact on, innovative solution, internet access, run over budget, satellite scanning systems, satellite TV, scratch resistant lenses, smoke detectors, social recognition, solar energy, the run of the century, water purification systems, white application, wind energy, Wi-Fi hotspot, wireless connection. I won't translate these words and word combinations for you because you know everything from this list, but this key vocabulary will be very helpful for us when we will read our home assignment. Well, what about your home assignment? Write an essay, New Technological World. Use per 5 words and word combinations from each column and underline them in your essay. Write 12 sentences, approximately 150 words. Please use different verb tenses in your essay. Follow the scheme: introduction, main plot, conclusion. Write in your exercise book, take a picture and send me in VK system until the 10th of April. Ну и сейчас я переведу для всех. Напишите эссе, то есть сочинение «Новый технологический мир». Используйте по 5 слов и словосочетаний из каждого столбика и подчеркните их в своем сочинении, чтобы я их видел. Напишите 12 предложений, это примерно 150 слов. Пожалуйста, используйте различные времена глагола в вашем сочинении. И, как обычно, вступление, основная часть, заключение. Напишите в своей тетрадке, затем сфотографируйте и прислите мне ВКонтакте до 10 апреля. Well, our lesson is over. Thank you for our lesson.